Chef IrixGuy here, and this is how to make Sloppy Joe Empanadas. So all you do is you put your Sloppy Joe mix in there, and then you use these big burrito shells. And I've linked them and the crimpet like I used within this video's description, but check this out. You just crimp it. Crimp it one more time here. So you got that good crimp. Now we're gonna put it in the air fryer. So now we've got it in the, ready for the air fryer here. Just stick it in the air fryer. I do 390 for maybe a couple minutes. We'll check it, depending upon how crispy you want your tortilla shell. I'm gonna let this do its thing. So I actually ended up air frying it for a few more minutes, but see, that's kind of darker. That's a matter of personal preference. Also, what you can do when you crimp it, if you want to give it a more professional look, see the excess that was hanging over, because I do use the large burrito tortilla shells, and I've linked them and the crimpet within this video's description, by the way. But if you want to, before you air fry it, if you want to pull away the excess, you can make it look more professional. See, I left the excess on this. Personal preference, up to you, but I wanted to point that out. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.